shelter, as you can see right here. And this is day 2 of the building, and stay with me. So our plan is to make this more waterproof. As you can see, it drips all over the place, and that's been raining for like 48 hours, and well, we're gonna pile on some sticks. So my friend is holding the bark, and we're gonna pile it on the wiki up right here. So I'm making a fence right now. As you can see, it's just about interlocking sticks together. It's pretty solid. So we're just stacking firewood, as you can see, around the fences. So we're now standing in the other wiki up. And compared to that one that we just made a little bit more waterproof, it's much more darker, as you can see. So look at this pile of you know what, and we're going to burn it.